Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out to Supcase for sending me the Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case for my OnePlus 7 Pro. This is a full body rugged case with a holster, with a kickstand, and a built-in screen protector. The link will be down below in the description area, and when you hit that link, it will send you right on over to Amazon, and this is what you will see. Please read all the information. $19.99 gets you this beautiful looking case. So let's go ahead and get into this beautiful presentation here. Supcase Unicorn Beetle, drop tested, military grade, full body rugged case for my OnePlus 7 Pro. There's the kickstand. So yeah, man, let's get into this box. I went ahead and unpackaged all the contents out of the box. And on my far left, we have the holster with the brand name Supcase. On the clip of the holster, got a little bit of flexibility there. Hard polycarbonate plastic material, very solid, very strong. For those of you that love to sport the holster, here it is. The case itself got a kickstand, very nice. Totally digging that. Got the cutout here for all three cameras and flash. Lots of depth going on there to protect your cameras and flash when setting down on most flat surfaces. Supcase, drop tested, military grade, full body rugged case. On the left hand side, we have the volume rocker with the plus symbol for volume up, the minus symbol for volume down. And you can see that ridge textured side here on the left hand side. Very nice. On the right hand side, we'll have that as well. It's going to make it a lot easier to hold on to your OnePlus 7 Pro sporting this case. That ridge textured sides there. Supcase brand name, ridge power button, and you got a little flap here protecting your alert slider. Totally digging that. Cut out for your speaker, mic, and a little flap protecting your USB Type-C charging port area from any dust, debris, lint, whatever can get in there. That little flap's going to protect that area. Up top, the cutout area for your pop-up camera, and we have a cutout for the other mic. Very nice. Here's the built-in screen protector. Got this removable film here that's protecting the screen protector. The built-in screen protector, I should say. And if you've never used this type of case, you got an installation guide. Read all the information. It's pretty simple. And go for it. All right, let's go ahead and get my OnePlus 7 Pro into this case. I went ahead and turned off my OnePlus 7 Pro. It's just going to make it a heck of a lot easier to go through this process and a lot more enjoyable. Also, wanted to talk a little bit about screen protectors. So feel free to skip ahead if you don't want to stick around, listen and watch this part of the video. But I know I'm going to get a lot of questions when it comes to this built-in screen protector. And, well, I have a Simoon tempered glass screen protector currently on my OP7 Pro. You may be sporting the original film screen protector that came with your OP7 Pro right out of the box. You may have a different type of film screen protector, a liquid screen protector, or a tempered glass screen protector. But can two different types of screen protectors work together? Well, I'm going to find out in this video if the Supcase built-in screen protector will work with my Simoon tempered glass screen protector. It may or may not. I may have to reset my thumbprint once, twice, three times, and maybe it'll never work. Then I have to make a decision. Do I remove my tempered glass screen protector and just go with the built-in one, I'd tell you what I'm not going to do, but it can be done. You can remove the built-in part of the screen protector away from the frame of the case, but then you're taking a chance on breaking the frame of the case. So that's the decision you're going to have to make if you don't want to remove the screen protector that you have currently on your OP7 Pro. I would suggest leaving this as is. And I know Supcase would want you to do the same thing. So you're going to have to make a decision if they don't work together. If they work together, great. If you're not going to have any issues down the road, great. But sometimes this isn't going to work. I'm going to find out what happens for me with my Simoon tempered glass screen protector and the built-in one from Supcase. And hopefully they do. I don't know. Now, when I did the review on the Simoon tempered glass screen protector, I entered my thumbprint once and everything was working great for a little while. And then there were a couple misses here and there, so I re-entered it again. Now everything's working fine. And I did update the video on that information. So we're going to go through this process and see what happens. Who knows? Sometimes you get different type of products that end up working together. Sometimes you don't. But I know I'm not going to mess with what I got here with Supcase. I am willing to remove what I have on my OP7 Pro to stay with this. So let's go ahead and remove the inner film of this built-in screen protector. We're going to put it over the top of my OP7 Pro. Make sure that sits on top of my OnePlus. Very nice and snug. And it is. And then we'll take the actual case itself, and we want to start at the bottom. Okay, and then I place on my desk, or you could use a table, your nightstand, whatever, something solid, and just press in like that and bring both the case and the frame of the case together. Press nice and gently with a bit of pressure, and the seams will come together just like that. You'll feel that come together. Very nice. There's your alert slider right in there. Okay, so that is on there, and we're going to go ahead and turn on my OnePlus 7 Pro, and I'll be right back. I'm going to do a test, a touch response test on the display of my OnePlus 7 Pro with 2 screen protectors. Crazy. I will say this right off the bat. I'm noticing that I have to apply a little extra pressure to get the response that I want, that the OnePlus 7 Pro already wants to give me. This is an amazing smartphone when it comes to the performance of this display. 90 hertz refresh rate. I've never turned it down to 60 hertz. And when applying a little extra pressure with 2 screen protectors, I'm getting the response that I want. My Wi-Fi is a little slow in the house. Everybody is using the Wi-Fi right now, but the performance of the OnePlus 7 Pro is just amazing. Just amazing. Again, applying a little extra pressure is going to get the response you want. The OnePlus 7 Pro isn't going to stop short of doing what it needs to do for you, but when you have 2 screen protectors, I'm going to have to do my part and work a little harder to get that response. And that's by applying that extra pressure, if that makes sense. If that bothers you, it doesn't bother me. You're going to have to remove the existing screen protector that's on your OP7 Pro. Okay, so there we go. Everything working fine. Again, applying a little extra pressure isn't going to hurt. I went ahead and removed the film over the top of the built-in screen protector, and now we are going to turn off the display. Double tap. First try. Bam. Totally digging that. Second try. Third try. A little bit slow, but still working. Well, that's a great sign. Built-in screen protector over the top of the Simoon tempered glass screen protector. Amazing. Now, that may not happen for you depending on what type of screen protector you have and from what company you bought it from. Okay, for me, in this video, the two screen protectors are working pretty darn good together. Again, if I had to remove one of the screen protectors, it's going to be the Simoon tempered glass screen protector. I'm not removing the built-in one. That's staying. I want my Supcase to be 100% what it is. Okay, but right now with two screen protectors working together, way to go, Supcase. Volume rocker. Nice and clicky and responsive. Down at the bottom, lots of depth there where the speaker grill is, the mic. There's the flap for the USB Type-C charging port area, which we're going to test out. My third-party USB Type-C cable. Make sure there's a lot of space there to utilize this cable, and that is sweet. And I'm going to try a different one that's actually a little bit thicker. And bam, everything working great there. We already know that the power button is doing the job. The alert slider is covered up. It's in there. Let me get a close-up of that. There it is right there. Okay. There was a miss, but that's why I'm going to re-enter my thumbprint another time. It's a tight fit there, but it's doing the job. Totally digging that. Pop-up camera. I'm going to get to that right now. Everything working great there. Gonna do a little sample pic selfie. Make sure that that bottom area there isn't getting in the way of the pictures that you'll be taking utilizing the front facing cam. Okay. No shadowing whatsoever towards the bottom of that pic whatsoever. Everything looking great there. The camera, we're going to go with the telephoto. Regular wide, ultra wide. Make sure all the pictures look good. No shadowing. Cut out in the back, doing what it's supposed to do, and that is protect the cameras and allowing them to do their job. As you can see, 3 pictures with no issues whatsoever. Okay, get another look at the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Series rugged full body case with holster. Very nice. You got the kickstand. Very nice. It's a beautiful looking case, man. Super solid. Supcase, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to review this case here on my Project 13, be able to share it with everyone. And as you can see, this built-in screen protector is working with another screen protector, a tempered glass, which is thicker, a little bit thicker than a film or liquid screen protector. It's going to work that much better without a second screen protector. So hopefully it works for you. If not, you'll have to make that decision. But for me, Supcase, great job. Great job. Very nice.